If you're a teenager watching this, you are probably already thinking about your future or how to become financially stable and successful. The reality is that building wealth takes time and discipline, but the earlier you start, the better off you will be. In this video, I'm going to share with you the best 5 tips that can help you start building wealth from young age. Tip 1. Start saving early. This one may seem obvious, but it's also important. Develop a habit of saving a portion of any money you receive from jobs, allowance, gifts, etc. Even if it's just 10 to 20% to start. Getting into the habit of saving is crucial. Where to save? You can open a basic account or a fintech app that allows savings. Key is to pay yourself first before spending on wants. Tip 2. Learn about investing. While a saving account is a great start, your money won't grow much just sitting there. You need to invest it. Take the time now to learn about different investment options like stock, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs. You don't need a lot of money to start investing in stocks these days, thanks to apps that let you buy fractional shares. Watch my previous video talking about how to invest in stock, link in the description below. Put your money into an investment account and consider a broad market index. The power of compound interest is incredible if you start investing at a young age. For example, if you invest just $100 per month starting at 18 years, assuming 8% annual return, you would have over $1 million by age 65. Tips 3. Start a side hustle. The more money you earn as a teenager, the more you can save and invest. Why not start a side hustle business in addition to any part-time jobs? There are tons of options like freelance writing, tutoring, selling crafts online, doing tax on apps like TaxRabbit, and more. Not only will this give you extra income, but to teach you valuable entrepreneurship skills. Tip 4. Educate yourself on personal finance. The sooner you learn how to manage your money wisely, the better prepared you will be. Avoiding major money mistakes, read books, listen to podcasts, and learn things like budgeting and tracking expenses, living within your means, building credit responsibilities, saving for emergency, investing for retirement, avoiding debt traps like credit cards. Having a strong financial education will set you up for a lifetime of building wealth. Make it a priority. Tip 5. Be patient and consistent. My final tip is to be patient and stay consistent with your wealth building efforts. It takes time to see big results, but keep doing it. Adjust your strategies as needed, but don't be demotivated if you want to become a millionaire overnight. The power of compounding rewards those who stick with their plans for years and decades. There you have it, my best 5 tips for teenagers looking to build wealth early. Start saving, invest wisely, make extra money, learn personal finance, and be persistent. If you found the video really helpful, kindly subscribe and don't forget to leave a like. Thanks for watching, and leave a comment if you have any issues.